Selling a house can be stressful, but when you choose the right real estate agent, they help lift a lot of that stress off your shoulders. Real estate advisors are there to guide pricing, suggest improvements, and talk strategy for a smoother sale. Home staging can boost buyer interest, but isn't right for every seller or every home. During our brief consult, I'll make sure to tell you what I think your house needs or doesn't need to sell as quickly as possible. One of the best things you can do before listing your home is improve curb appeal with fresh paint, landscape, and simple exterior upgrades. The outside of your house is the first thing buyers see both in person and online. Inside, you'll want to fix visible repairs and consider updating kitchens or bathrooms to increase value. Again, I'll make sure to let you know if these things will make your house more profitable. When staging interiors, you want to remove small personal items and clutter and keep the rooms bright with neutral colors, elegant decor, and furniture layouts buyers prefer. Ready to find out what we can sell your house for? Call me today.